If you're somebody who had to give up school to come out to work so that you can support yourself and your family, this video is for you. Come!
You never had the chance to get that one piece of paper.
Grow! Not because you're not capable, not because you're not willing, but because life got in your way. Career Learning Hub helps people like you get a locally recognized diploma in as little as, drumroll please, 21 days! And the best part, most Singaporeans can offset their full course fees using subsidies and their PSEA credits. Very likely, there's no need for you to fork out extra cash for this diploma. Career Learning Hub is not a traditional school. They are built for working adults like you. You want to spread it out over 3 months? And you want to chunk and finish in 21 days? Also can. You need to pause for work or family? Can. You come back when you can. If you're aiming for jobs in AI, digital marketing, social media management, e-commerce, business analytics, and more. The diplomas are issued by a Pearson UK-backed institution. If you don't know, come on. Pearson UK also regulates our A-level exams. Career Learning Hub is where you can upskill fast. You can also take the word of working adults who have completed their journey at Career Learning Hub and move forward with their careers. Not only that, after you graduate, you won't be left on your own. There's career support like job matching and interview coaching. Your second chance is real. It's very, very real. And it's right here waiting for you.
Hey, I'm here.
It's right here waiting for you.
Thank you.
Here's what happened right after you click on this ad. Someone from Career Learning Hub will drop you a message or a call, whichever you prefer. They will walk you through your options and see which path could be right for you. Click now, click to book a free, no commitment discovery call with Career Learning Hub today.